It's time to be a hero! Yeah! I know you're all in there, PJ Masks, but not for long. Quick, what's your plan, Owlette? We're going to stop this train for good, and we're going to do it together. Catboy, you leap up and grab some tree branches. Gekko, you crawl down next to the tracker whacker. Got it, Owlette. Then it's my turn. I'll fly the branches to you, and you can use them to jam the tracker whacker and stop the tracks. Without tracks, this train won't ever catch Romeo's lap.
Great plan, Owlette. I think it'll work.
As long as I wait for you guys to do your thing first. Go, PJ Masks! Oops. Remember, Owlette, don't rush. Your turn, Catboy. I'll just, wait. Okay, my tracker-whacker. More tracks, more tracks!
Super Cat?
Okay, now it's my turn. Nice and easy. Nice one, Owlette. What? Stop it, you PJ pest. Too late, Romeo. Gekko, jam that tracker whacker. That's it, Ninjalinos. Nice and cozy. Hey, Ninjalinos! There's still some sports gear you don't have. Who want that old junk? You would? You are strong, but not if we do this! Now that there aren't so many of you, you're a lot weaker. What?
Here comes some more, Gekko.
And now the last of them. Super Owl Wings! Stop! Stop! With those trees holding you this time, you're not going anywhere. Yeah! Wait! I meant to be practicing against them, not you, PJ Masks. Okay, your turn then. Go on, Ninjalinos! You can finally practice with Night Ninja! Not all in one!
Quick, grab the sports gear.
Stop it, Ninjalinos! I don't want to practice now!
Without their sports stuff, they'll soon lose their super strength.
If they don't use it all up on Night Ninja first. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! Team A wins! See, PJ Pests? Look how fast my moths are delivering my loot! Hey, Luna Girl, your moths are good, but I bet they aren't strong enough to bring back the biggest toy of all, that giant T-Rex! What? Easy. I'll just have them all work together to bring it to me. What? No! You flopping fools! Work together! Bring me the T-Rex toy! All of you! I'm coming!
was mean to you before, Gekko.
Me too, Catboy. I guess we got carried away. No, you two. It was my fault. I'm sorry I made everything into a competition. Just because I wanted to win all the time. Get off of me, you big-eared bozo! Luna Girl's not giving up. A little bird tells me that we should stop trying to compete and win this together. Yeah! Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Ready for another round, Mom?
Up here, Luna Girl!
What? Yay! Give me that back! Got the whistle! Game over, Luna Girl. You BJ best ruin everything! Oh, stop it, Moths! You're all winners, okay? Huh? Those icicle heads are smashing up my beautiful line! Now we only have one way to go! Now I'm going to show Romeo how to move on the ice. Super Lizard Grip! Hello, Romeo! With my Super Lizard Grip, I'm better on the ice than you. Nonsense! My Laboggin was made by a genius. Me. So there's no way one of you mini-minded muttonheads could beat it. Let's see. Bingo! Can't catch me! Super Gekko muscles! Ah! Gotcha, Romeo! Yay! Time to get you de-iced, PJ Masks!
Oh, yeah! Nice work, Gekko. That plan was the cat's whiskers.
Yeah, we're really sorry we didn't listen to you before. No, it's my fault. When I have a good idea, I need to stick up for it. Where are you? Looks like Romeo's really frozen on the spot. You pesky PJ Masks! You always have to spoil my fun! I'll beat you next time, PJ Masks! Oh, look what the cat dragged in! Stop, you kooky cat! Time to drop in! You're being silly! You'll crash! Unless it's another trick. And it is! Whoa! Don't worry, I'm okay. Tired of only having one PJ Mask voice. Time to get all three. No, I'm losing my voice. He's taking our voices. Does this mean that Romeo the Genius has all of our voices? It's because he's so awesome.
But we're not. Without our voices, we'll never be able to work together to defeat him. And all because Gekko didn't take his voice back when he could. R-O-M-E-O, Romeo!
What's that, Gekko? Oh, you think it's time to be a hero. In your dreams, you loopy lizard! Imagine all the naughty things I can do with these voices. And those PJ Pests will get the blame. Oh, this is even more genius than I thought. Huh? Why am I stopping? Maybe there's something wrong with the engine.
I hate getting wet, but not as much as I hate letting my friends down. It's time to be a hero! Super Cat speed! I'm coming, PJ Masks! Faster than lightning, whoa! The amazing Catboy runs under the clouds, whoa! Making them all follow him.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
If I'm going to get wet, Luna girl, so are you.
Ow! I'm soaked! Let's play.
Sorry, this seat's taken.
See ya, bird brain. You're out.
Oh, feather sticks.
You're just too good. So it's just you and me left, kitty cat.
But you'll let me win, won't you?
Because if you don't, I'll drop that cake.
You won't do that.
Oh, yeah? It's my party. And if I don't win, no one gets cake. Catboy, you need to let him win. Whoa! Ha! See ya, pussycat. Super Cat speed!
Is this seat taken?
What? How did you... But, Catboy, we told you to let Night Ninja win.
What? But these balloons will be great for Gekko's party. Right, Gekko?
What are you doing, you sticky-fingered lizard? Ninjalinos! No! Got it, Gekko! What? No, that's my cake! Hey!
Well, no sign of Night Ninja. Looks like he knows when he's beat.
But you risked Gekko's cake.
We've got it, though. And these amazing Master Fang balloons.
You're not listening. I'm having a lizard party.
You only think that, Gekko. Wait till you see how cool they'll look.
Huh?
The amazing Master Fang cake.
I really wanted the lizard cake, but I'm stuck with this useless one. Unless you want to swap. Never!
Hey! Yes, let's swap.
No, the Master Fang cake?
Yes, this cake is awesome.
Really awesome.
This way. Left a bit. Watch out for the lamppost.
Ha! Aha! Moonball, come back here.
No!
Hey, why have we slowed down? It's Lunager's balloon magnet. It's too strong. I know. We need to play as a team. Gekko, use your super muscles. Catboy, use your super speed. And I'll use my owl wing wings.
Yes! Great work, PJ Masks.
Useless thing! Now let's pop this moonball. Super Gekko muscles! Let's roll this thing as fast as we can, team. Yeah! What are you doing? No, no, no! Yay! Woohoo! All right! Yeah, come on! My moonball! Fluttering feathers! We did it! But the toys are scattered all over the town square.
We'll need to collect them all and put them back where they belong.
What? No! My toys! But they're mine! 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 Stop! I stole these things fair and square! And you burst my moonball! Here!
Don't worry, I've got this.
Ha! All you're getting is shrunk! Catboy! This is terrible! Aw, look at the little kitty. One shrunk, two to go. stuck in a small body, but I'm still a big kid. And I'll prove it. Super Cat, stand away! Hey, put me down, you naughty little ninjas!
Make him dance, Ninjalinos.
I don't want to dance.
But you look so good as a little dancing PJ Lino. My plan is brilliant.
Not as brilliant as taking over the world.
Of course it is. Have you seen this dance?
It is good. But when I take over the world, I can do anything I want. Super Gekko camouflage.
But why would you want to do anything except watch this?
I've got you, Catboy! And I've got you too!
Stop staring, Ninjalinos! After them!
Wriggling reptiles, we need a plan.
One we can all follow now that you're little.
I'm not that little, and I can still be your leader. So let's go! See, PJ Masks? These feeble-brained flappers are staying here with me, and they're going to do whatever I tell them. Go on, Butterfly Brigade! Get them! What are you doing? Get them down! Oh, you're as useless as the moths!
They don't like Luna Girl being rough with them either.
Ha! Then you're going back in my Luna Magnet beam! Do as I say, you flopping fool! Stop it! Stop, or else!
Being rough and rude's no good. It's time to be a hero. You get the butterflies to fly after you, Owlette. And Gekko, use your colors.
Okay, Catboy.
We're going to make the butterflies want to come back to the daytime by being nice and giving them something they love to eat.
Flowers? But we don't have any.
No problem. Super Cat, please.
Don't you point that finger at me. You're supposed to do what I say. Like, get them!
Okay, PJ Masks. Time to bring these butterflies home. Gently.
Hello, butterflies. Do you want to fly with me? Let's go this way. Look at my colors, butterflies. Come on, I'll show them to you. What? That's how you like it? Nicey, nicey.
That's right, Luna Girl. And now I'm trying it too. I'm really sorry about before, butterflies, but I brought you as many flowers as I could find. Here, please come with us. That's it. Well done, butterflies. Thank you.
Time to be a hero, I guess. Okay, I really am giving it to you. The moon statue is yours, just like Gekko and Catboy go. You're really saying it's mine? To keep forever? Yes, to keep forever. Now will you let my friends go? No. No? But what? Did you forget that I'm a villain? Now, I'm going to complete my PJ statue collection! Owlette! Owl wing wings! Huh? Ah! Yes! We're free! To the owl glider! No! My statue! I'm really sorry I took it.
You're sorry?
Yes, I just loved it so much.
Owlette, come on. You were right.
Yeah, she stole it and now she admits it. So let's go. Just a second. It's time to really be a hero. Here, I said you could have it, and I really mean it this time. Really? I can? Yes. Someone gave it to me, and now I'm giving it to you. And you know what? It does feel good. But you have to promise to give it away one day, too. Okay? Okay. Come on, moths. was really nice of you, Owlette. Well, not sure she'll give it away again, but it makes her happy, so giving it to her made me happy. PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day! Catboy, being angry doesn't help. Yeah, come on. Stay calm like Master Fang.
Stop telling me not to get angry. I'll get angry if I want to. Just deal with the Ninjalinos while I get the sword back. Night Ninja!
What? I can't believe Catboy got mad at us. I know. Hey!
Master Fang's better than you'll ever be.
Oh, really? Can Master Fang do this?
No!
Help us! Catboy, help! Wipe that recording immediately! Touch it, it's mine! Ninjalinos, get rid of those PJ sushi rolls. Catboy, help! Owlette, Gekko! Help us, Catboy! Catboy, help me! Break's over. On to our next location.
I can't go after Night Ninja and save Owlette and Gekko. He tricked me! Ow! 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 Whoa! 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 Owlette was right. Getting angry didn't help. Especially getting angry at her and Gekko. Time to be a hero and keep a cool head like Master Fang. Oops, wrong way. Help! Leave me, please! Help us! Catboy!
Really, Catboy? You're going to have another go on the Pogo Dozer?
No, I know I can't ride it as well as Gekko. So it's time to be a hero and let him have his turn.
Cool chameleons! Hop on, Catboy. Let's do this together.
Let's go!
And now to find the perfect chimney to stick up.
Hey, Romeo!
A cat and a lizard on my Pogo Dozer. This ought to be good.
Oh, yeah? Check out Gekko's moves!
What? Wait, now you're good at it? It's mine! It's working! Where are you? Now it's my turn. Give it back. Well, okay then. Huh? Go get it back. Now, Catboy! Hey, get off of me! Stop it, you PJ Pass! Now, Owlette! Nice work, PJ Masks.
And nice pogoing! Gekko, you're the cat's whiskers.
That's not fair. I don't want to walk around when I rule the world.
Well, maybe you should try pogoing. Be careful, though. It's quite hard if you're not a highly skilled lizard.
Whatever, PJ Masks. It's my Pogo Dozer, so I'll ride it any way I want.
Okay, this hole needs fixing before daytime.
We'll help. What should we do?
Thanks, but it's my fault the wall got knocked down, so I'll fix it myself with Super Cat Speed. Quick, before Romeo fixes the Pterodactyl, let's take him by surprise.
But first say sorry for surprising me before in the museum.
I said I'm sorry, Owlette. It was just a silly joke.
Fine. Then I'll just go catch Romeo on my own. Oh, no.
Owlette! Ha! Let's jump before he can take off. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No! Super cat jump! Yeah!
You're mine, Romeo.
You flew off mad at me.
Because you scared me in the museum? Oh dear. The famous PJ Masks, squabbling like cats and owls.
Super Cat Leap! The amazing Catboy grabs the terrifying dinosaur's thrashing tail.
I'll shake you, you scaredy cat.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Oh, I better fix this. Super Owl Wings! Hey! What? No! The remote control! Gekko! Super Lizard Grip! Got it!
Guys, what are you doing?
I'm unscrewing the bars so we can get out.
Stop trying to escape. Without your powers, you'll be safer up here.
But we're almost out. One screw to go. And we didn't need superpowers to do it.
No, wait! I'm going to get your pajamas back.
Catboy, get him, Robo-Owl!
Whoops!
Catboy, you got us caught.
Don't worry, I'll lead the robots away from you. Super Cat Jump! Oh, at least I still have this. Huh? Oh, we used Super Gekko camouflage!
Aha! I thought I'd lost this. So nice of you to find just what I need, Catboy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo-Cat. Now nothing can stop me. The PJ Masks are finished. Finished!